Cough Drop Challenge.
So soothing.
Hi everybody, I'm here today because Jackie McGrath sent me full bags and boxes of cough drops because I've been teaching in person and remote at the same time through a mask behind a curtain. So every day my throat gets pretty sore and I wonder to myself, is it COVID or is it just my dedication to my job? Probably the latter. But I'm gonna have a little taste test of all the cough drops that Jackie has sent to me out of just such kindness. She said you could try these and throw out any you don't like. Well, I don't think Mary Ann McGrath would approve of that. But first up we have Zarbee's Honey Cough Soothers and Immune Support. They come in this little, what is that, octagon? Oxagon?
Hexagon.
Hexagon? I thought that was sick. Oh, I'm an English teacher. Okay, it looks a little thinner than I thought it would be. It's kind of oddly shaped, but here goes. Okay. That natural citrus flavor is coming through. Not unpleasant. I'm getting a weird, I don't know, kind of like that when you ate the sugar-free lollipops from the doctor's office. So that's a strange texture. I'm just gonna pause it for a minute. Should have had like a little palate cleanser, but next up we have Ricola. I feel like that's the only way you can say it, right? They used to have the commercials with the Alphorns. Reminds me of a class field trip I took in Frau Venberg's class in high school. Naturally soothing relief that lasts. So from Switzerland. They speak German and French. Right. I don't know what they speak. I'm just trying to provide my viewers with some information. Okay, I'm getting a lot of peppermint with this one. I mean, there's a lot of herbs in it. Peppermint is definitely the first, something called elder. I don't know what that tastes like. Wild thyme, horehound. All right. Hyssop, thyme, mallow, lemon balm, linden flowers, and sage.
I think those are the same ingredients in Malort.
Yet I'm not making a Malort face. All right, we'll go to the next one. Last up we have Ludens? This is assorted flavors. I won't bore you with all. I see that there's a variety of berries, watermelon, and honeycomb. Cherry. Pop one of these bad boys in. I guess it's a, you know, mystery flavor. It's a beige flavor. Oh, it's great. Oh, this reminds me of Kool-Aid. This has gotta have sugar in it. I think we found a winner. Oh yeah, there's corn syrup in it. This is a winner. All right, so that does it. My palate has chosen the one that is assorted flavors with no sign of organic or natural flavors at all. This is the winner. Ricola in second place, and Zarbee's can go to hell.